So it's the day after Boxing Day, December the 27th, and the van is
yeah.
We obviously when we went to the Airbnb over Christmas, it's actually pretty tidy now. It's been 10 times messier than this. But when we went to the Airbnb, we literally emptied the contents of the van where we were staying. So then this morning when we've left, we've literally just emptied everything back into the van and sort of just throwing it in here. And we're like, we'll sort it out later, and we're now sorting it out later. However, look how beautiful that is. Such a spot. And we are pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Weather's been lovely the past few days and it's still meant to stay like this. So I think we're going to stay here for the weekend. Should be a good shout. Play a bit of tennis. Got a washing line set up to dry our washing because we've done a load of washing and then we got dry before we left. So, but yeah, it's been a good Christmas, I guess. So we'll sort all this van out now and then we'll be good. But look at that, man. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful. Tidying the van up and Mol decides to smash an egg all over the place. Cheers, Mol.
I got so angry.
Just squeezing it. Just went,
I thought it was a stress ball. I don't know for this one. I thought, what can I squeeze an egg?
Morning all. What a fantastic view to wake up to, eh? Do you like it?
Love it.
Love it.
Yeah.
We had a pretty short day yesterday. Just enjoying ourselves down here, taking in all the sun and niceness. So today, hopefully it's supposed to get warm enough. It's meant to feel like it's 17 degrees, whether I believe it or not, we'll see. But that's swimming weather, so we might be able to get swimming today. Although the rocks are very sharp underneath the water and we have no shoes, so we'll just have to be careful. Also want to get the drone out today, take a few videos on that. And Mol's will give me a haircut.
Because I'm so good at cutting hair. I'm a professional.
See how that goes. I'm just having a square up and getting some smoothies on the go, and today we're going to have strawberry, banana, kiwi, apple, elderflower. That's it, I think. Just throwing in whatever we've got left over. There we go. Camp set up for the day. I mean, this is what we really like about this spot because we can actually like get all of our chairs and everything we've got out of the van. Because like, I mean, if you put up in a car park and get your camping chairs out and tennis rackets and basketballs, and it just looks a bit funny, doesn't it? And it's not really the nicest place to do so. So yeah, it's real nice here. Like I said, it's middle of nowhere, so probably had two people walk past and say hello since we've been here over the past 2 days, which is nice, man. A bit of peace and quiet. Mol's made us some healthy shots, haven't you, Mol? What's in them?
Lemon, ginger, chilli, turmeric. They're very healthy. So we take a shot every morning.
She's made like a big carton of it. It's
Carton of
bought
it.
like a refillable carton.
Yeah, it's pretty good. So it's probably about a week's worth. So there you go.
Cheers.
It's gonna be spicy.
Ah.
Oh, oh. Good for you.
Wakes you up a bit. Right, back to the smoothies.
Thank you, darling.
There we go. That is the barber's set up right there. Now I just need the hairdresser.
He's having a break. A well-deserved break.
Could I just have a sides and back number 1, please?
And number 1?
Yeah.
Yep, I can do that. Yeah, you're the first person I've done this to. Is that alright?
I guess so.
It'd be all good.
It's happening. Look what you're doing.
Oops. I think I'm doing quite a good job, actually.
Yeah.
I do say so myself.
Nice.
See?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. It's very short, isn't it?
It is very short. But let me
That's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, it feels so much better.
Yeah.
Hey!
Woo.
Well done.
Thanks.
Good job.
Can I have my money now?
Oh,
please?
right. You wanted money? I thought it's just a high five.
No. I didn't pay it.
Yeah. Right, so as it's a fantastic day, we're going to go for a swim, aren't we?
Yeah. It's going to be freezing.
But it should be nice and refreshing, to be
Yeah,
fair.
it'd be nice and refreshing, but it's still going to be cold. Even though it's a little bit warmer today, it's still going to be freezing in there.
I reckon it'll be boiling.
Oh, yeah. It's so cold. Oh my god.
So there's a little fish in it. Yeah. That'll do me. So, considering the sun is out, it's a nice warm day. Shocked the water's still freezing.
Told you it would be.
Yeah. It's pretty cold. But yeah, that'll do us. I mean, it's a nice little refresh. So I'm going to go stand in the sun now and dry out. Sounds like Mol's having fun. So yeah, those mountains over there, that are the roads we drove along when it's super, super windy. It's quite mad seeing them from here. Such a beautiful spot. We're having a big sort out whilst our fish fingers are cooking. Trying to sort the back of here out because it's sort of got messier and messier as the weeks have gone on. And Mol's on bed changing duty, which is also a needed job. So yeah, we're going to try to smash this out whilst lunch is cooking, and then we can sit down in the sun, have a fish finger sandwich and a can of cider and chill out. That's what we like. Looks good. Can't wait to get into that later.
Looks nice. Yeah.
Ow.
You always
Just
hurt
elbowed the
yourself.
table.
You always do that.
Nice big fat fish finger sandwich. Mol's regretting cutting my hair. What's up, Mol?
My clothes are covered in his hair.
Got hair everywhere.
Hair everywhere.
If anyone's wondering what I'm doing, we're having another one, but it's only a little babby one. So we're going to be full today. Show us the trick then, Mol.
So he told me, I'll do this, and then you just increase it, get bigger. And it's all about eye contact, he said. I've not done it since I played at Wimbledon. So, a bit rusty.
Good effort.
Yeah. Okay. Oh shit. I'll have to tack.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Oh, you put me off.
There you go. That's bad for me then.
That was fun.
Morning. So we're out of here today. We're leaving in a minute. And then yeah, we found another spot to stay in. It's by the sea. It's pretty nice, man. Not as nice as this, obviously, but it's still up there. So yeah, that's the plan today, really. Just sort our shit out and tidy the van up and get out of here. Got loads of rubbish to get rid of because obviously there's no bins or anything around here, so we got to go find a bin to offload all of that stuff in. Yeah, I just woke up. I need another coffee. You can't tell. But yeah, definitely come back here again. So good, man. So good. Right, let's get ready. That is our massive mound of rubbish from the past few days. You alright?
Yeah, thank you. I'm just fighting with this cupboard.
So this is the road that you drive in and out to this place. As you can see, it is extremely rocky. Doesn't look that much on camera, but it's pretty fucking damn bumpy. But yeah, look at that. Ooh, horrible stuff. Right, let's go.
Let's go.
So we found where we're staying for the night. Stopped in a little shop, made a friend. He was very interested in Mol and her hair. Give her a little stroke.
That sounds so wrong. know, that's so bad. Just got a stroke in a car park.
And he was complimenting the van and how it looked and stuff. So yeah, it was nice of him. Some old Croatian bloke didn't speak English, using a lot of hand gestures. Where we've parked is kind of like up there. So we're just making our way down through all of this stuff to go down there. Oh, careful.
Thanks.
Those funky shoes of yours. Look at this for a steal. How much were they?
€5.
€5. Bargain.
Stop. Actually.
Nearly there. Probably just chill down here for a bit. I didn't bring my swim stuff, so I can't go for a dip, but that looks beautiful. I've just been sat here staring at that rock, and the sea's making it look like the rock is moving up and down. So this is where we moved to yesterday. Hello. We're off today, it's New Year's Eve. We've made a decision between the two of us that because spent Christmas in the Airbnb, we're going to spend New Year's in the van, aren't we?
Yeah.
So I mean, it'd be rude not to. The sun's out.
We'll just have a nice chill one. Try and get Grandad over there to stay up till 12.
So yeah, we're going to go soak up the sun and enjoy ourselves. So yeah, I'll update you all when we get there. Ta-da. That is us for the night. Hello.
Hi.
Mol has brought me that for Christmas. It's sick. 1,600 pieces, pretty much. However, we're just discussing, once I built it, it's over a foot long, so it needs somewhere to live.
So, what have you just said? I can't believe you just said that.
We need to bin Teresa off.
He wants to bin our girl Teresa off, our little baby.
Look man, she's...
Bin a plant for...
We need to take that bulb off her, she's drooping.
I can't believe you're going to get rid of her.
Anyway.
Hen picked her colour for me yesterday. So this is the colour I'm going to go.
So yeah, that is our view from bed. We just popped to the shops to go get some food. I'll show you out there.
Essentials like cider.
Proper nice little spot. So yeah, we're probably just going to stay here for the next couple of days. Nice and out the way. Having a little beach. What more could you ask for? Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. I just tried to neck all of our drinks because the sun's making my teeth look really yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah, look.
Oh, right, yeah. Yellow skin.
We're just getting our drinks down us.
We're
doing dry January.
Whose stupid idea was that?
So,
I
like I
changed my
said,
mind
we've
tonight.
got to
No.
get all of our drinks down us so we're not tempted. And then yeah man, have a nice clean dry January.
Hey!
What are you doing? Yeah, we've resided back into the van because it's dropped off outside, it was chilly. But got the heater on, nice and toasty in here. And how good is that?
Stunning. Isn't it beautiful?
Happy New Year's. So we're currently trying to video call our friends in the van, and every time we do a video call, no one can hear us.
So annoying. Oh, chicken nuggets. What did you say?
It isn't going to be on your video, is it?
Yeah, man.
I don't like doing this.
Oh, clear.
Woohoo, we've opened the door to some fireworks. Fireworks everywhere. I don't know if you could hear it on here, but
Look at that.
that looks so sick. There's so many fireworks.